Alright guys, so today we have a vacuuming video with this Dirtdevil Breeze Turbo. I recently picked this machine up on Marketplace, gave it a full refurb and a whole clean out, and I'm running a brand new genuine Dirtdevil U-bag. I believe this takes. Everything runs on this machine. It has a brand new belt. So let's vacuum this house and see how this machine does. It's not the quietest vacuum, but it's also not the loudest. I've used louder ones before. Nice to see, it's decent suction. It does kind of pick up the pile a little bit. You can hear some crunch left over from my review I just did. Very lightweight. This is definitely a very pleasant machine to use. It really glides on carpeting and rugs. It's very aggressive at cleaning, which is a good thing. This thing really cleans well for how cheap it was when they sold them. Now that we replugged, let's check the suction power of this machine. Yeah, that's got pretty decent suction. It does very good on these deep pile mats. It really gets everything up. Alright, and as you guys notice, I did pick it up every time I moved to a rug. It's because this machine is not good for floors at all, nor would I even use it on floors. It has no bare floor squeegees that are just scatter all the dirt, so this is a carpet/rug machine only. But overall, this machine did pretty good, and I might have a review coming soon or more videos of this machine, so stay tuned.